So welcome to Counting to Calculus. This is the textbook that goes with our course. And then there's a workbook, or you can think of it as extra practice that goes with the materials we're learning. Basically, what you can expect is you're going to learn math in a systematic way, reviewing the fundamentals and building all the way up to excellence in mathematical understanding of calculus. That's the goal. We're starting with basic math. Don't worry, we're talking about counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to talk about odd numbers, even numbers, and then we're going to work our way into place value. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Where did they come from? That leads to the other part of this course. Not only are you learning the math concepts, but you're also learning the math history. And so this is where I'll be integrating the book Journey Through Genius, which tells us the story or the stories of the people behind a lot of the concepts you're learning. And then there's a history of math book here. You don't have to worry about getting these extra books. I'm just trying to explain that we're integrating the history of math. Now, we're going to do ancient history, Middle Ages, and then modern history. My book, Tools for Mastering Mathematics, is a guide that I'll be referring to from time to time as a way to teach you study skills. Because in order to excel in math, it's not enough to just know the concepts. It's important to know how to take tests, how to study for math, or the mathematical sciences. Oh, that's the other thing. Counting to Calculus includes scientific discussions that are tied to the math concepts. For example, there's a topic in math called variation, or we talk about variation, inverse variation, direct variation, and things like that, or proportions. And it'll be important to see the context of variations in chemistry or physics. See, math, chemistry, and physics have a lot in common, especially, well, physics and chemistry especially, but then math, chemistry, and physics, they have a lot in common. At the end of our course, we're going to spend a lot of time in the science and the scientific revolution as it ties to mathematical discoveries, right, around the scientific revolution. Gravity and calculus, all of these things, we start seeing a lot of that progress in the 15, 16, and 1700s. We're going to spend some time there. And then we're going to talk about modern mathematics. We're going to talk about Terence Tao. We're going to talk about artificial intelligence and AI. So be ready to learn the history of math from the time of Abraham to the present, along with the necessary chemistry, physics, and economics. You're going to be very good at math. I promise you that. You're going to appreciate math more because you're going to see the context that gave rise to the discoveries and the content that you learn in a traditional math classroom. Let me know if you have any questions. My email is amosthemathguy@gmail.com. I look forward to going through this course with you. Have a blessed day.